We want to make a Chinese burger brand and then take this brand to the world. It took us more than 3 years to develop this burger that looks like a pocket. The most important thing to consider in the kitchen design is the flow of the line, to ensure that the food is served quickly and efficiently. Therefore, we have changed the design of the whole line, from the entrance to the dining area. Opposite the dining area, there is a semi-open bakery kitchen. A heating zone in the center can be operated bilaterally. The frying area on the left and the meal preparation area on the right can both be used without disturbing each other.